Good morning, everyone. Okay, I am teacher Joseph, and today is our 28th day of our online math class. So we have the same topic, that is time. Okay, so let's proceed. So open your book on page 100. 100. Okay, so we are in number 3. So number 3, the duration of a basketball match was 1 hour and 14 minutes. Another football match started at 15:30 hours and finished at 16:46 hours. Which one lasted for a longer period of time? Okay, again. The duration of a basketball match was 1 hour and 14 minutes. Another football match started at 15:30 hours and finished at 16:46 hours. Which one lasted for a longer period of time? So the question, if you look at the question, it asks which one, either the basketball or the football match. So let's solve. Okay, so the first thing, you have to solve for this one, the football match. So 15:30 hours, as you can see, this is the start time. Then the end time is 16:46. So you have to get the duration. So 15:30 to 16:30, that is 1 hour already. But we have to go to 16:46. So 46 minus 30, that will be 16 minutes. So that means for the football match, the duration is 1 hour and 16 minutes. Then if you look at the basketball, it is 1 hour and 14 minutes. So you minus 1 minus 1, that is 0. 16 minus 14, that is 2. So 2 minutes longer is the football match. So the football match took 2 minutes longer than the basketball match. So that is the answer. So for the question, which one lasted for a longer period of time, that is the football match, lasted for a longer period of time. Okay, let's proceed. Number 4. Jess started to do the laundry at 9:25 hours and finished at 10:32 hours. She took 1 hour and 15 minutes to clean the kitchen and 52 minutes to clean the storeroom. What activity did she take the longest time to complete? Okay, so again, let's read the question. Jess started to do the laundry at 9:25 hours and finished at 10:32 hours. She took 1 hour, 15 minutes to clean the kitchen and 52 minutes to clean the storeroom. What activity did she take the longest to complete? So we have to look for the longest time, either the laundry, the kitchen, or the storeroom. Okay, so let's answer first the laundry. So the laundry started at 9:25 hours, then ends at 10:32 hours. So 9:25 to 10:25, that is 1 hour. Then 10:25 to 10:32, that is 7 minutes. So that means Jess started to do the laundry at 1 hour and 7 minutes, or 67 minutes. So how did we answer the 67 minutes? It's because 1 hour is 60 minutes plus 7, that will be 67 minutes. That is for the laundry. Then for the kitchen, doing the laundry is 67 minutes, and for the kitchen, that is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 60 plus 15, that is 75 minutes. Then for the storeroom, that is 52 minutes. So the question is the longest. So what will be the longest time? Is it 67, 75, or 52? Okay, so that is correct. So 75 minutes. So that means the answer is Jess took the longest time to clean the kitchen. Okay, so that's it. Now, let's go to page 101 of your math workbook. Okay. So, answer the questions based on the following record. So, as you can see, this is the record of Cindy. Cindy's activity record on Monday, the 4th of March, 2019. So you can see the time and activity. So at 6:30 a.m., Cindy get up. 6:45 a.m., have breakfast. 7:15 a.m., go to school. 1:15 p.m., arrive home. 1:30 p.m., have lunch. 2:15 p.m., read storybooks. 5:35 p.m., play badminton. 7:10 p.m., have dinner. 8:05 p.m., do homework. And 9:45 p.m., go to sleep. So activity record means the schedule, what you do before or after you wake up, then before you sleep. So that is the activity record. So let's answer the questions already. So number 1, at what time did Cindy wake up that day? So what do you think? What time did Cindy wake up that day? So look at the activity, waking up. So what will be the answer? Okay, so that is 6:30 a.m. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to number 2. In number 2, at what time did Cindy go to school? What time did Cindy go to school? So look again at the activity, go to school, this one. So what time is it? Yes, that is 7:15 a.m. Okay, 7:15 a.m. Okay, next, let's go to number 3. Number 3, if Cindy started reading storybooks after having lunch, how long did she take to have her lunch? Again, if Cindy started reading storybooks after having lunch, how long did she take to have her lunch? So you have to compute for the duration. So how long is Cindy's lunchtime before he read the storybooks? So if you look at the activity, have lunch and read storybooks, there is a duration. 1:30 p.m. until 2:15 p.m. So how will you solve for that one? Okay, so again, in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So if this is 1:30, so what will you add to 30 to make it 60? That is 30, right? So 1:30 to 2 p.m. to 2 o'clock. So 1:30 to 2 p.m., that will be 30 minutes. Then you add the 15. So 30 plus 15. So the duration will be 45 minutes. Okay? Okay, again for number 3. If Cindy started reading storybooks after having lunch, how long did she take to have her lunch? So the question is the duration. How long? So you have already the start time, that is 1:30, then the end time at 2:15. So in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So what will you add to 30 to make it 60? That is 30, right? Then 30, it will make 2 p.m. Then the 15 more. So 30 plus 15, the answer will be 45 minutes. Okay. Okay, next, let's go to number 4. Number 4, at what time did she do homework? Okay, number 4. At what time did she do homework? Okay, so let's look for the time. So activity, do homework. Oh, this one. So at what time did she do homework? Yes, that's correct. 8:05 p.m. Okay, so that is 8:05 p.m. Okay, that is 8:05 p.m. Okay, good job. Now let's go to the last question. The last question is, what activity did she do at 5:35 p.m.? Again, number 5, what activity did she do at 5:35 p.m.? So look for the time, 5:35 p.m. So this one. So what did Cindy do? She plays badminton. So playing badminton. So that's it. So in order for you to answer the activity record, you need to look at the time and the activity. So if the question is what time, either he is asking for the start time or the end time. But if he is asking about the how long, so he is answering the duration. And for the activity, you just have to read this one. So that is already the answer. Okay, let's proceed. Now let's go to letter G. In letter G, write a record for Andy's activities based on the information given. So this is still an activity record, but in a paragraph form. Okay, so page 102. So again, write a record for Andy's activity based on the information given. Okay, let's read. Andy gets up at 6:45 hours. He has breakfast at 5 minutes to 7 in the morning. Then he goes to school at 7:15 hours. After school, he has lunch together with his family at home at 13:15 hours. Next, Andy starts to do homework at 2:20 in the afternoon. He goes to swimming at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He has dinner at 18:50 hours. After dinner, he does revision at 19:40 hours, and then he goes to sleep at 9:30 at night. Okay, so again, Andy gets up at 6:45 hours. He has breakfast at 5 minutes to 7 in the morning. Then he goes to school at 7:15 hours. After school, he has lunch together with his family at home at 13:15 hours. Andy starts to do homework at 2:20 in the afternoon. He goes to swimming at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He has dinner at 18:50 hours. After dinner, he does revision at 19:40 hours. Then he goes to sleep at 9:30 at night. So what we need to do is we have to get the time and the activity. So we will, what we did in letter F, we will be the one to do the activity record. Okay, let's proceed. So this is Andy's activity records. The first one is done already. So at 16:45, let's go back. So 6:45, what did Andy do? Gets up, right? So get up. So that is the activity. Next, let's go to the second one. So second one, the time is 5 minutes to 7. 5 minutes to 7. So remember the word to, meaning it is not yet 7. 5 minutes before 7. So what is before 7? That is 6, right? So the 60 minutes minus 5, that will be 55. That means the time, the next time will be 6:55 hours. Or the other name is 5 minutes to 7. Okay, 6:55 hours. So what activity did Andy do? So at 5 minutes to 7 in the morning, he has breakfast. Okay, so the activity for 6:55 hours is have breakfast. Okay, so let's end here. So we will just continue with Andy's activity record for next class. Thank you everyone and stay safe. Goodbye.